That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in again, and I want to show you another knife today. It's another Reate knife, and I think with this one I've got a total of 8 Reate knives, and there is some more on the way. By the way, my name is Henk, and I am a Dutch knife collector. And this is the Horizon D full tie variation. The Horizon D is in 2 variations, the full tie one, this one, and the carbon fiber. And for the rest they are the same, so the presentation scale is on the other one carbon fiber and on this one full titanium. It's a gorgeous knife, fluted titanium with anodized titanium hardware. The base color of the pivot, the hardware, the backspacer and the clip are all blue anodized, and I hope it will show on camera. It's a very bright blue color. And then the pivot on both sides, as well as the clip, have a Damascus-like anodization. It's not Damascus, as some think, but a Damascus-like anodization of the titanium. It's very beautiful. The Horizon is already an older model of Reate, and then in the variations of the A, the B, the C and the D is the last iteration. It's a big, heavy, sturdy knife, a hard use knife, and like all the other Reate knives, it's a knife that is well built, very well built, with top materials and an excellent fit and finish. There are little brands that have this quality of build and fit and finish as Reate does. The blade is M390 and it has a very subtle stonewash finish. I hope it shows on camera. And the titanium has lots of details. Very much milling work. Everything chamfered, round off. Never sharp corners, even the inside of the spacer. Very clean work. Milled out pockets to save on weight. Steel insert. Titanium hardware. So this is the newest addition to my small Reate collection, and as mentioned, I think I have 8 now, but there is more on the way. Okay, it's not in a review. I don't like doing reviews. I just want to show what I have in my collection. That's it for now. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, please like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, bye bye.